I didn't know you were right behind me, Giggle. Giggle, no. Shizzle, I'm gonna get hit.
No. No, thank you, sir. I don't want your donuts. I'm sorry. Oh, never mind. I'm not sorry. I mean, that's not what I meant. Overlord Shrimpo. Oh my god, it's the assassin Shrimpo. I love you!
Grovels to knees.
Please, marry me! I will be your bodyguard! I will be your everything. Assassin Shrimpo, just follow me and I'll lead you to heaven. Sorry, I didn't mean to take both of them. I'm sorry. You want them back? You want them back? I'm sorry. Do you want me to take one? I smell Distractor needs help. Need some help? Need some help?
Giggle farts.
Oh, hi, Finn. Oh no, what happened, my child? Something is fishy. You smell like...
That scared me, bro. What the frick? A heart?
I don't know how to say that.
Is no one gonna be doing machine? Give me that. Ugh. Shoot, I did all that just to not grab the speed candy, bro. Get out there, bro. You're not even the one doing the machine. Get on the machine. Work day and night like a dog. That. Oh, you're over there. I'm blind. Wait, look.
Wait, no, I want to watch it.
I will protect this Finn with all my life, because their life is on the line, and I can't. Bro, what was that? Yes. 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 Yes.
Yes.
I'm so scared, bro. I'm so scared. Finn, just try to stay at the elevator, my son, okay?
Oh, giggle fart. Oh, giggle fart. I think I should be doing normal machines instead. Machines. Oh, where did he come from? I mean, she come from. And Yowie. I just got a little scared.
That scared me so bad, bro. Rest in peace to that blot. just died. Oh. No. Oh no, the bot didn't die. Because you can't send stickers unless they're on a computer. I'm sorry. Rest in peace, Joey. She got hit by the snake. Yeah, I think about her every time it hit the game. Kaboom. Kablow. Kaboom. Rest in peace, my granny. She got hit. Rest in peace, that Shelly. She got hit by the snake train. Yeah, I think about her every time I hit the game. Kaboom. Kablow. Kaboom. Ooh, I'm sorry, Blot. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ooh! That scared me. Y'all do not want to. Y'all don't take me to alcohol. Unless you have a pro team. Oh! Where did he come from? No, bro, I was doing so good too.